Hey guys, it is Dani and welcome to another video, and I'm here with updates on the tropics. So we will be focusing on the Atlantic, and we have Tropical Storm Josephine to talk about, as well as newly identified Invest 96L, already with a very high chance of becoming a tropical cyclone, possibly becoming a tropical storm by tonight. But before I go into details with these two systems, please ensure to subscribe if you haven't, and tap the notification bell so you know every time when I post a new video, because I will keep you guys updated on tropical cyclone activity right throughout the hurricane season. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My weather account is Weather Girl Dani, and my personal account is Dani Henry Official. Okay, so we want to take a look at the satellite view now, and there we have Josephine to the east of the Leeward Islands, and we also have Invest 96L just off the northeast coast of the United States. And first we want to go and look at Josephine. So at a closer view, there we have it. It is looking a bit disorganized, and it actually weakened, I should say, because of some unfavorable conditions, some dry air as well as that shear. And so during the next couple of days, it is going to be struggling to get some strength. But for the National Hurricane Center, it's kind of uncertainty. Now, there we have it. The storm has winds of 40 miles per hour, and it is accelerating to the west-northwest at 16 miles per hour. And so we're expecting a more northerly-like turn starting about Monday. And so it could impact Bermuda, maybe as a post-tropical cyclone by the middle of the coming week. So fortunately, it is not expected to be very strong, and it is going to be picking up in its acceleration out into the North Atlantic, guys. So fortunately, not a threat to land this time, aside from Bermuda, which is going to be in the coming week. And so next we have Invest 96L just off, I would say, Delmarva, right there along the eastern coast of the U.S. And so it is given a high 70% chance of development through both 48 hours and 5 days. And by tonight, we could see this becoming Tropical Storm Kyle, which is the next name on the list for this hurricane season. And at a closer view of it, in satellite imagery, there we have it. It is actually starting to possess those tropical cyclone characteristics, and so we're expecting this trend to continue. And so we're definitely expecting some intensification from this during the next couple of days. And so for the potential intensity, we don't have a lot of models available, but most of what is available at this time saying that it will definitely become a tropical storm. Not expecting it to become very strong or near hurricane status, but again, anything can happen. And so for the potential path of it, it is expected to be moving away from the U.S. fortunately, but as it moves more to the west during the next couple of days, it is going to be encountering some cooler waters, which is going to encourage some weakening, because what will be fueling it is the Gulf Stream, which is located along the east coast. And so there we have it, that stretch of warm ocean waters going also in the Atlantic, that is the Gulf Stream. And so that is what's going to be fueling it for the next couple of days. But when it moves into that green region, which indicates cooler sea surface temperatures, we're definitely expecting some weakening to be coming from this. But as for like the Gulf and the Caribbean and the Bahamas area, very warm ocean temperatures to support tropical development. And so guys, the peak is not too far from now, and so we are just moving so quickly in this hurricane season. We are now at the K-name, which is Kyle, as I said, and we could see this being crossed out by tonight, I would say, and we are beating our most active season on record, 2005. Let me remind you guys, 2005 featured 28 named storms, and we are beating the season. And so Kyle would be the earliest K-name storm on record, guys. So this season is just going bad already, and we are not in the peak as yet, guys. And so I will keep giving updates on the tropics as time goes by. And if you found this video to be pretty informative, please give a thumbs up, and you can also share thoughts in the comments or ask a question. I'll try to respond as soon as I can. And just remember to always be weatherwise.